Mastering the Argument Task on the GRE Analytical Writing Section. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the GRE's Analytical Writing Section, specifically the Argument Task. If you're prepping for the GRE and want to conquer the Argument Task, you're in the right place. Let's begin. The GRE Analytical Writing Section consists of two tasks: the Issue Task and the Argument Task. While the Issue Task asks you to present your viewpoint on a topic, the Argument Task is slightly different. For the Argument Task, you'll be given a short argument written by an author. Your job? To analyze the given argument, looking for its strengths and weaknesses. You won't be sharing your personal opinion on the topic. Instead, you'll be evaluating the soundness of the provided argument. In the Argument Task, graders aren't looking for whether you agree or disagree with the argument. They're interested in your ability to critically evaluate it. Some aspects to consider include: 1. Logical soundness. Does the argument follow a logical progression? Are there any leaps in logic? 2. Evidence provided. Is the evidence provided relevant and strong? Are there generalizations without appropriate backing? 3. Alternative explanations. Could there be other reasons for the phenomenon described in the argument? It's all about how well you can dissect the given argument and present a clear, organized critique. To perform well in the Argument Task, consider the following strategies. 1. Don't state your opinion. Always remember, it's not about what you believe. It's about analyzing what's presented. 2. Structure your response. Begin with an introduction that briefly describes the argument. Follow with separate paragraphs discussing the argument's flaws or strengths. Conclude by summarizing your analysis. 3. Be clear and concise. Your clarity of thought and expression is key. Don't use overly complex vocabulary. Focus on clear explanations. 4. Practice with real prompts. The more you practice, the better you'll become at spotting common logical flaws and crafting your response. And that's a wrap on the GRE's Argument Task. Remember, it's all about analyzing, not opining. With consistent practice and a sharp eye for detail, you'll be well on your way to mastering this task. We hope this video has shed light on the intricacies of the Argument Task and equipped you with the strategies you need. Until next time, happy studying!